Good morning students. Once again welcome in maths class. So today we start our exercise number 4.2. 4.1 we have done. So today we let's do your exercise number 4.2. Before starting this exercise, firstly I am here explaining you the measuring line segment, or you can say that how we draw the line segment. Clear? For this one, there are some points, there are some steps. Follow these steps and then know how to draw or how to measure the line segments. You can say that. Clear? So now here, first step, take a pencil and a scale. Here, first step is take a pencil and a scale. When you draw the line segment, you take a pencil, okay, and a scale on and draw this line segment on your notebook. So here I am taking the scale and this here is pencil. I am taking here a marker. Clear? Second step is put the scale on the sheet of paper and hold it firmly. Clear? Put the scale on the sheet of paper. This is the scale. You put this scale on the sheet of the paper. Clear? Like that. Okay? Like this. Don't move it up and down. Only fix like that. Clear? And take the pencil. Third step is with the help of pencil, mark a point X against the 0 centimeter. Clear? With the help of the pencil, mark a point X against the 0 centimeter. When we measure, we start always 0. Clear? You can see from 0 we start when we draw the line segment, and when we measure, we draw the line segment, and when we measure, we use the scale and we start from 0. Clear? 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that up to 30. Here there is given 15, 30 also given. Clear all of you? So what we do, with the help of the pencil, mark a point X against the 0 centimeter and mark a point Y against the 5 centimeter, like that. Don't move this one. From the 0 to 5 centimeter we mark it. From 0 to 5 centimeter we mark it. Clear? Like that. When you draw on your paper sheet, clear? Like this one. So you give this name X and give the name Y. Okay all of you? And how much centimeter is the length of this one? Is 5 centimeter. Clear? In this way, now join the point X and Y. Here we take one point on 0 centimeter. Here we are taking the point here at 5 centimeter. After that, join both. Clear? In this way, thus we obtain the line segment XY, which is the length of 5 centimeter. Clear all of you? How we draw? We use the scale, pencil, clear, and the sheet of your paper and put it firmly. Don't move it. Start from 0, 0 to 5 centimeter, 0 to 6 centimeter, 0 to 8, 0 to 2 centimeter, but always start from 0. After that you draw. Clear? And then you give any name. If it is given XYZ, so you write this. Otherwise from your side you write P, Q, L, M and then length of the line segment. Clear? In this way we draw the line segment. If it is given and the question is measure the length, so with the help of the scale we can measure it. Clear all of you? I think these points is clear. Now let's start the exercise number 4.2. Now the question number 1 of exercise number 4.2, then you have learned to use a scale. So in this question we learn then how we use the scale. By using the scale, how we draw the line segment. Part A, draw a line segment that measures 6 centimeter. Clear? So you know how we draw? We draw the 6 centimeter. So for this one what we do? We use the scale, pencil, clear, and you draw it on your notebook. So let's start. We put this one like that. Okay, don't move up and down like this, and take one point at 0 and then 6 centimeter. Here I am taking more, clear, for proper this one, and there. 1 point you take at 0 and then 6 centimeter. On your scale there is 6. Clear? After that what you do? You can draw two types. Don't move this one. From 0 you start, then 6 centimeter like this. Okay? Otherwise, how you draw? You take 1 point here and 1 point on 6 centimeter. Clear? After that, join these both like this. Clear? And then write here. After that, you write this one. The length of this one is 6 centimeter. Clear? Here is not given then X, Y, A, B, any. So, if you want to give the name, you can give the name like A, B. Clear? If it is given A, B equal to 6 centimeter. So, you give name A, B. If there is not given A, B, B, C, C, D. So, from your side you can give the name. Okay, student? In this way, we will draw the line segment. The question number B part is here. Draw a line segment that measure 9 centimeter. So in this question same, we start from 0. On your scale, you start from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 9. So from 0 to 9, we draw this line, straight line. Clear? If you move this up and down, it will be wrong. So don't move it. Put the scale on your notebook, clear, tightly like this, and then start from 0 to, you take 2 point, otherwise you can draw like this also. Clear? 9 centimeter. 0 to 9 centimeter. Okay. And after that, downside you write 9 centimeter. From your side, if you want to give the name, then name of this line segment X, Y. Clear? So this is the part number A and B. Draw a line segment that measures 6 centimeter. In this way, we can draw. If you draw like that, for example, if you are moving like this, clear? So that's why I am saying beta, put it straight. Clear? After that you draw. And when you draw this one, it is must to use the scale. Without scale, you cannot draw, you cannot measure the given the line segment. That's why when you draw it, use the scale. Okay, student? Now the C part is here. Draw a horizontal line segment of 4 centimeter and a vertical line segment of 4 centimeter so that they intersect, okay, and name the line segment and the point of intersection. The question is there, draw one horizontal line segment and one vertical. That is the horizontal, that one is your horizontal, okay, and that is the vertical. Clear? That is the horizontal and that is vertical. Clear? So the question is, draw a horizontal line segment of 4 centimeter. The length of this one is 4 centimeter. So let's see how we do this one. First we draw here the horizontal line segment. The length of this one is 4 centimeter. Clear? I am not taking here proper length. Clear? But when you draw on your notebook, take from 0 to 4 centimeter. Here first you draw 0 to 4. Clear? Horizontal. Draw a horizontal line segment. The length of this one is 4 centimeter. Clear? After that, and a vertical line segment of 4 centimeter. Now you draw the vertical line segment. The length of this one is also 4 centimeter. They intersect. Here is given they intersect. They intersect means they cross to each other. They intersect to each other, and we know very well the meaning of intersecting. When two lines intersect to each other, they are crossing to each other. So this is the horizontal. Now we draw vertical here. This is the horizontal. This is vertical. First we draw the horizontal here. First we draw the horizontal. That is horizontal. Clear? Now draw the vertical. That is here. We draw the vertical. They intersect to each other. They are intersecting to each other. It means they are crossing to each other. After that, name the line segment and the point of intersection. We give the name of the line segment, okay, and the point where they intersect. So here I am giving the name A and B, then C and D. Clear? A, B and C, D. This is the question. Name the line segment A, B, C, D and the point of intersection. So this is the intersecting point. We give here name like O. Clear? That is the part number C of question number 1. Draw your horizontal and vertical, okay, and give the name A, B, C, D and give the name of the intersecting point. That is the intersecting point here. We give this name like O. From your side you can give any name. C, Z, X, Y, L, M, like that. Clear? So here I am giving A, B, C, D and then here the point is 0. That is your question number 3. Now the question number 2 is measure each of the following line segment. In this question, line segment is already given. We measure it with the help of the scale and after that we write the length here. Then 5, 6 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 4 centimeter, whatever, how you measure it. Clear? In question number 1 we draw the line segments and in question number 2 we measure it. Here I am making this both the line segment roughly. Here I am not using the scale properly. Clear? But when you measure it, when you write, it is given in you, the length is given in your book already. Clear? In your book it is given. Okay, you use the scale and measure it. See how you measure. You put your scale like that. Clear? From 0, this point you start from 0 like this. Clear? And then there. You start the point here from 0, put here and like this. After that you see this point B. You start from C, 0 and then you see this point here. Then here is 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. How much? According to this, you can measure the length. It is start from 0 to 4 centimeter. In your book, the length of C and D is 4 centimeter. So the length of part number A, this line segment is 4 centimeter. Clear all of you? Now here is B part A, B. Again how we do? With the use of the scale, we put our scale like this, okay, in your book and then from point A, you start from 0. Clear? You put this point, you start from 0 like this. Clear? You measure it. You see here the point B. 0 to 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, whatever it is given. Clear? So the part number B here the length is given 6 centimeter. Both are the correct answer according to your book. Here I am making roughly, but according to your book the length of the line segment CD is 4 centimeter and the length of AB is 6 centimeter. Both are correct one. So from your book you see and here you only write the answer. CD 4 centimeter and AB 6 centimeter. Now the part number C, that is the last part of question number 2. Here two line segments are given. They are crossing to each other. So in this question again what we do? We find the length of both and write here. When we measure it, same, put your scale like that. Clear? And start from 0. 0 to, you start counting 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, how much. When we measure it, the length, the actual length of AB is there 3 centimeter. Clear? When you measure N and M, start from 0 and then start the counting M and N. When you measure it, the actual length of M and is here also 3 centimeter beta. In part number C here, we measure the length of AB and MN. AB equal to 3 centimeter. Centimeter is also written already. So AB equal to 3 centimeter and MN equal to also 3 centimeter. That is your question number 2. But in question number 1, the part number C, the question was na, draw the horizontal and vertical. Question number 1, C part beta. When we draw the horizontal and vertical na, in that question by mistake I make here the line. That is the symbol, that is the line na, not the line segment, you know. That is the line segment without arrowhead. Clear? These are the line. Clear? These are the line. Clear? And these are the line segment. So in this question, when you draw it, don't use this line. That is the line and that is line segment. Clear? So in that question, question number 1, part number C, by mistake I make this one. So what you do, when you do this question in your notebook, you draw like vertical and horizontal. Clear? After that you give the name AB. Here is given A. AB you can give AB and C, D and O. Clear? Don't use it. Don't make like that. It is wrong. By mistake I have explained like that, but that is the actual. A, B and C and D. This is the line segment and this is the line. Clear all of you? So beta, this is all about your exercise number 4.2. In question number 1, draw the line segment, and in question number 2, measure the given line segment. You measure it, start from 0 and after that you measure it 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Clear? If there is not 0 given, so before your 1 there is arrow 1 here is given, this line. So you start counting from there, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3, 0 to 4, 0 to 5, 6, and here is given 1. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means 0.5, then 1, 1.5, then 2, then 2.5, counting is given. Clear? So in this way we can measure it and we can draw it. So do this exercise in your notebook, and when you do your work, use the scale. Without scale you cannot use this exercise, and especially for that chapter you have your scale. It is compulsory for all of you to use the scale.